Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to change profile picture in Outlook. So go to the left hand side and click on the file tab. In info option in account information, you can see the right hand side the photo icon here showing. Just click on the change option and wait for the few seconds. Your Outlook will open in web browser. Here my Outlook is open. Then go to the right hand side and click on this profile pictures icon and click on my Microsoft account. Wait for the few seconds. And here the Microsoft account is open. And after that, go to the left hand side and click on the your info option. And here you can add your profile picture. So click on the add a photo. And here you can see the small dialog box is open, change photo. Okay, in bottom side here, add photo option is available. Just click on it and select your the photos. I select here the photo and click on open. And here you can set easily. You can move and set your photo. Okay, you can zoom in and zoom out also. Zoom in and zoom out. If you want rotate, you can rotate your photo also. Okay, see here the changes. After that, click on the save and that's it. Photo is added. So that's it. This is a way you can add profile photo in Outlook. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.